Hello everyone, welcome back to my another video. So this is not any montage. This video is basically how to do 777 like effect in Android. So we'll not waste time and just let's move on to the tutorial. You need to download some overlays. Link for these overlays are given in the description. Now go in the media, background, and then select a black background. Now if like it's on you how much long do you want this this effect. So I want it for like only like for like I want it for 3 seconds, but I'm taking for 4 seconds. Now go on the starting of this like black background, click on layer, click on media, and then import your those overlays. I will really quick import them. It is first overlay which is of blue color. Go on blending and then click on screen. Now same like this, take import another overlay. Now as you can see, I just imported both these overlays. Now it's on you how you want to make it look. You want the blue one to be outside or inside. It's like totally upon you. So I want the blue one to be outside, so I'm keeping it outside. Now what you want to do is you can just multiply them. So and with this help, like with the help of multiplying, it will look like better than first how it was. It will become like more dense, it will become more dark and more lightning. So I will make it, see now as you can see, now it's looking very nice. Now what you need to do is crop these, like tell how much you want, just crop these. Now after cropping these, click on this button and then export this. Now after exporting, delete this project. Now select the layer, like select the clip in which you want that effect. So I am not making any montage right now, so I'm taking any random clip, but you take the clip in which you want that effect. So I am just randomly taking any clip. Okay, this clip is fine. Now I will just decrease its speed to, you don't have to decrease its speed, I'm decreasing so I can increase its like time. So now this clip is of like 3.5 seconds. Now I want that effect, like that effect will be like first it's normal and then slowly it will like zoom out and then it will become a little bit small. Click on this layer, click on this, like click on this button where I'm like pointing, then click on equal. And after clicking on equal, use your both fingers and you have to use on this layer. Now I will use my both fingers and then make it a little bit small. Also make sure that it is not too much small and it should be in center. So I want around till here. I'll just make it a little bit fine till here. And now what you need to do is, I want this effect after 700 milliseconds. So I will click like on 743 milliseconds. I'll do split at playhead. Now after doing this, click on first layer. Now again click on that same button, go to end position. Now again click on this equal button. Now come on start position and make start position back to normal. I think it's fine. Now it will look something like this. Yes, it's very nice. Now because we want this effect exactly from this part, now come on the starting of this part, like of this layer. Now click on layers, media, and then take that clip. So here is my that clip. So go on blending and click on screen. Now what you need to do is you need to make it to fit inside this borders. You need to like make it this layer border. So I think here it's fine. Now it will look something like this. Wait, I will just really quick remove its audio. Now what you need to do is, till I want this effect just till end of this video, second layer. Now click on this layer, click on these three dots and then duplicate. Now after clicking on duplicate, select the second layer, or you can select any layer. Click on overlay, that overall animation. Now go a bit down and here you can see jitter. Click on jitter and then click on the tick sign, and then it will look something like this. Now what you need to do is click on the second layer and do it send to back. Now after doing send to back, click on the blending and make its blending to around 50%, or you can adjust it according to you. Now as you can see, it's looking pretty nice. Okay, so now what you need to do is, either you can this thing is now this effect is like almost completed only. You don't have to do anything else, just you have to add some more effects. Now go on the starting of this layer, click on layer, click on effects. Now you need to download one effect. Its name is chromatic glitch. I think you can find it in, you can click on get more and then in glitch you can find it. Yeah, here. Then after selecting the chromatic glitch, then do it around, do it like, make it like off the screen around till here. Now click on the glitch, go on settings and do the strength to 1. Now after doing the strength, keep the quality, you can adjust it according to you. I'm just going to keep it normal and see the directions is also fine. Now it will look something like this. As you can see, it's looking pretty nice. If you want, then you can do its double, which will look even better. The difference is not too much, but you can do if you like it. Now what you need to do is just simply click on export. Now as you have seen the preview, but the preview and this is a bit different because the clips are different. The preview is of my original 777 contest video. So if you want to see that full video, link is in the description. And the reason they both are a little bit different, as I told, clips are different, and secondly I have color graded that that montage, and because I've color graded that full video, so these overlays are also of a bit different color, but still they both are like exactly same only, and it will help you a lot for doing. See, as you can see, it's looking pretty nice. So this effect is, yeah, still here only, you don't need to do much more. Now just go and then you can click on export.